In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form template in DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Templates section. This is where you can build reusable documents and forms, which is especially helpful if you plan to send the same type of document more than once. Inside the Templates area, select Create Template. DocuSign will then ask for some basic setup information. Start by entering a name for your form. Choose a clear and recognizable name so it will be easy to find later, especially if you end up creating multiple templates for different purposes. Next, upload the document you want to use as your form. This could be a PDF, Word document, or another supported file type. Make sure the document is the correct version before continuing, because this file will become the foundation of your template. After uploading the document, add the recipients or roles who will complete the form. This step is important because it tells DocuSign who is expected to interact with the document. If you're building a reusable template, roles can help keep the form flexible for future use. Once that is set, select Next to open the document editor. This is where you'll turn the uploaded file into a fillable form. In the editor, begin adding the required fields to the document. Depending on what your form needs, you can insert fields such as text, date, checkbox, and signature. As you add each field, place it in the appropriate location on the document so it lines up clearly with the section it belongs to. Good field placement helps make the form easier to complete and reduces confusion for recipients. Take your time here, because accuracy at this stage makes the final form much more professional and user-friendly. You'll also need to assign each field to the correct recipient or role. This ensures that every person only sees and completes the fields meant for them. If a field is assigned incorrectly, it may not function the way you expect, so it's worth double-checking as you go. When all fields have been added, review the form carefully to make sure all required fields are included. This final check helps you catch anything missing before saving the template. Once you're satisfied, select Save and Close. After that, open the Save template to verify that the form has been created successfully and everything appears as expected. Thanks for watching.